Good morning, everybody. We had a day off today. It's Friday, and we're actually gonna mow today. But first, I want to show you this. I couldn't. It was a little bit too dark to show this last night, but check this out. Give it a slow roll. What? Got my Equipment Defender rack sand yesterday that I won at the Lawn and Landscape Society event. It took a little while to put them together, but because I don't know, my wife did a better job than I did. But it does suggest that you cut them off on both of these so they'll bring them down. And on the way here, I will say that I probably am going to cut them now. I like them higher, but I probably am going to cut them now because I saw that they were kind of waving a little bit. And you know, another thing that's probably got a lot to do with that is this is an old trailer and it's not really square anymore. This thing got a little bent and twisted, so you know, it's not in perfect condition now. I am going to get a new trailer hopefully this year, but you know, even saying all of that, it's still, they didn't really flex too much. They did bounce just a little bit, but I don't quite have it set right with the with these mounts here. It's still a little loose right there, so this was kind of bouncing a little bit, and this one was too. So you know, they bounced a little bit, but I really like, let's see, I did take the toolbox out. Why, I don't know. Oh, I took it out because we were supposed to go to Lowe's and get some furniture or get some vanities for the bathroom we were remodeling, but we ended up not getting it. We changed our mind again, so that's why the toolbox is out. But I mean, it cleared up the back of the truck, and yeah, that says no E, not NOE. It's no E, no ethanol, because sometimes I'll get 5 gallons worth, and that's what I put in my stick equipment, non-ethanol. The mower, I mean, it burns through it pretty good, pretty quick, so I don't really worry about that. I'll put some seafoam or Stayville in it, you know, just to help with the ethanol in the fuel with that. But these I run non-ethanol in. So yeah, we're gonna mow here. You know, got a lot of weeds, you know, spring weeds. Got a couple sticks I gotta get up. But yeah, and another thing, while I'm here, I want to show y'all this. If you're in my area, which I reckon not far from Savannah, about an hour away from Savannah, but he's got a base in Ridgeland, and this is the Pinestraw man in my area, so I'm gonna give him a shout out. I ain't even gonna let him know, I'm just gonna shout him out. That's the man to call for the Pinestraw. I get a pretty decent deal on it. I hear a lot of people talking about Pinestraw and how expensive it can be, but here it's not too bad. It's not too terribly bad, so definitely a huge shout out to him. And I mean, you see, that's the Pinestraw trailer now. That one is, that one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I mean, it is crazy. And he did this in probably 10 years, and now he's like Pinestraw king around here. It's crazy. And then I mean, I'm not gonna go over there, but there's trailers like this one. There's about 4 over there. 2 of them are full. Then he's got a shed over there, it's slap full. His spot in Ridgeland slap full with a couple trailers. I mean, he just blew up big time. He's really hustling. But Ramirez Pinestraw, 803-842-7386. If you're in my area, you're about, you know, 30 minutes, 45 minutes away from Ridgeland, definitely hit him up. And tell him Robert's son sent you. That'll help you out probably. But we go get some mowing. I don't know if I'm gonna film. I might not film. I'm gonna try. I'll probably do a little 2-pot because there's a lot of sticks and stuff I gotta pick up, and I don't want to mess up like I did on the last one. I tried to do a time lapse on the last video, and that didn't work out. It filmed the whole thing instead of just doing a time lapse. So, but you know, it's not too bad. You know, you got these spring weeds, so they're not too bad. They'll cut good. A lot of pecan trees. This is actually my mom's house, so I will go in the backyard here, because I mean, it's way out the road. You ain't gonna know where it's at. So, but yeah, we're gonna get this one done. I actually lifted all these trees last year. Lifted up all that, a couple up there. There's a couple limbs hanging real low there. So I actually lifted these trees up, these magnolias. I mean, they were, that one there was all the way on the ground, you know, right here, and then that one over there. The first two were all the way touching the ground. This one, these two weren't as bad, but yeah. So we're gonna get all these sticks picked up and start cutting. So I'll get back with you in a little while. So you guys want to hear something funny? I go to lock up my racks here, and you know, you pull this up. Oh, what in the world's going on here? I ain't recording. Oh, there I am. You pull, you know, you pull these up, and then it pulls out, right? Well, they were pulling out. Well, this is bullcrap, because I opened it up, twisted it this way, twisted it that way. It still opened up. Like, all right, I'm gonna have to send these jokers back. This is baloney. It's not baloney. It's baloney on my part. I had it backwards. I had the Allen screws. I know this is gonna cut on. I had the Allen screws to the outside. So, and there's like a little piece that goes on the back of that bracket that actually goes in that tubing, is what locks it. Well, that little piece that it locks into was on the outside, so it wasn't able to lock. Yeah, so read your instructions carefully. So there's my mess up of the day. I meant to show you a little bit of the yard, but it's a lot better. Those pecan trees, they don't play around when it comes to putting out leaves, buddy. So anyway, I actually got another call while I was here, so got another one to go do. This one I really like doing. It's really good grass. You said it's a bunch of weeds right now, which I mean, I understand that. I figured it'd be weeds right now, but anyway, we're gonna try to get to that one. I'm going home first, swing by the house. I gotta pass the house, so swing by the house and get something to eat, and then head back out. I'm gonna see if my son will come with me. But I got the dirt bike back running, so he probably ain't gonna want to do that. All right, I might do some footage. I'm gonna actually try at the next, at the one that I just got called to. I'm actually gonna check out my new hedge trimmers. Those, what, Ego? No, Greenworks. Battery operated hedge trimmers. So I'm gonna try them out. I'm gonna do a little review. That'll be a separate video. Do a little review video on them. My wife picked those up for $40. And the little blower that we got with it works really good, but we're gonna test this out. So I don't know, this might just be a vlog. I don't know if I'll have any mowing or anything in it, but because I don't know how long this is gonna be. I don't want a 25-minute video, so I'm gonna cut it short right here, grab something to eat, and jump on to the next one. All right, hot, sweaty, covered in dust and grass. I should have worn one on my face shield, but I didn't think about it. But got this one done. I'll do a little drive-by real quick. That's about the best stripes as you can get around here. It will get a little bit better. Oh, that right there. I saw that. I'm like, oh, jeez. They did another one in the back like that, but you know, know, to each their own. So anyway, we talked about the coronavirus for a second. That's like, you know, to me, and don't take this the wrong way, but to me, if anything, it's gonna make society better. You know, if you think about it, okay? Everybody's actually doing what they've been supposed to do this whole entire time. They have been washing their hands and covering their coughs and all, you know, all of this stuff. But they should have been doing it the whole time. So if anything, it's going to improve our way of health, our you know, the health aspect of everything. You know, I mean, it's bad because, you know, it can be a deadly virus, but, you know, with the scare tactic about it, it's actually, I don't know, it kind of sounds bad when I say a good thing, but it teaches people sanitation, if anything. It reaches way down in their consciousness and grabs out that sanitation that got buried because nobody cares and pulls it back out to the top, and that's, you know, that's a good thing. You know, you don't, here lately, you know, I haven't been worried about shaking somebody's hand, you know. I used to just, you know, do a little fist bump. You know, either if I did shake your hand, I'm hauling tail to the truck, and see here, I got a big old bottle right down there, sanitizer. Almost got it. But yeah, so I mean, if anything, it's gonna make it better in that aspect. You know, it's still a bad deal, but anyway. So we got 3 done today. Not much really to do, but I didn't really film much. But anyway, might put this together just here so you can hear me talk. I know all my fans, they love to hear me talk. But anyway, alright. So, oh, I got stickers in too. I might need to I'll put that on there. I'll finish the video with that. But I'll put it on there. Do a little quick shot real quick. But anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, so whenever I get the notion to make a video, you'll know about it. It really does give me something to look forward to. People commenting and liking and stuff like that. It really helps. It helps me out to continue to do this. I like doing it. It's just a pain in the behind because I have to take the memory card out of here, put it in my phone, make the video, and then upload it while it's in there. I can't do anything with my phone in the time being, and then I can swap back my normal memory card. But anyway, it is what it is. Excuse me. I'll tell you, that pollen and dust. But alright guys, we'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.